Live on TikTok. What's up, everybody? We're going to learn and earn. Precious, my wife said, "Where'd you come up with that?" I go, "I don't know. Let's just go with that. I like the way that sounds." We're going to learn how to trade. Then you're going to earn some demo money. Well, maybe. We'll see how that rolls. Today's a slow day. I'm not even sure. I think crypto's still trading, obviously, but I'm not sure anything else is. All right. Let's go over to here. Let's go over to here. Let's tag our tags. Stream location is Vegas. In case some of you don't know, we're in Vegas for a month now, actually, officially. We'll be hanging out here for a minute. And let's see, what do we got going on? Control A. We have Control V. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go. Let's earn 9/1 Sunday, thesafetytrade.com. That's all correct. Beautiful. Destiny. If you buy the system today, you can get trained tomorrow. Yeah, baby. Let's see. 12:40. What's up, Jay Parker? What's up, Jacob? Amen. Amen. Take me to church. All right. I believe we're there. What do we got going? Oh, I don't know what's on TikTok yet. Hold on one second. Almost all set. Got some. Oh, nice. We have. Where the hell's my. The real safety trade. All right, let's see. Yep, we're live on TikTok now. We're live on YouTube. Nice. I do believe we're all set. Yep, all set on TikTok, all set on YouTube. All right. Now, where is the actual? There's Restream. What's up, Tony? Where are we at? Jay Parker. Okay, cool. This is an ultra rare Sunday one. I rarely do Sundays. I used to do them, so we call out for Sunday afternoon, but we don't have anything. Oh, geez. My DoorDash is almost to me. That doesn't mean much around here. It still could be another 15, 20 minutes before we get it. But anywho. Oh, nice, Ken. Congratulations to your daughter getting married. Yay. Hey, Ken, big day for me today. My daughter getting married. Congratulations. That was so much more important. That's what life's about right there. Tell her congratulations. Well, I don't tell her anything. I don't know who the fuck she is. But congratulations to you, to her. May she have a happy, blessed marriage. Lots of great memories. That's fantastic. Good to hear, Ken. Wow. Don't get no better than that. Your daughter getting married. Fucking fantastic. Yay. I'm going to pin that one. Yay. What's up, Kelly McMahon? What's up, Evan? What's up, Matt? What's up, Umar? KC, Miami. We're going to make some call outs. Going to teach you all how to trade. We'll make some call outs for Monday, even though Monday's a federal holiday in the United States. The rest should be open. I think it's like limited hours or some bullshit. Just remember, when the American market isn't open, everything is slow. Remember that. When the American market isn't open, it's up to 10 times or more slower. Just remember that. Happy Sunday to you, Matt. What's up, Umar? Da 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 na 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 I updated the rules so all of you know you need to look at your Typeform rules. Speaking of which, while we're waiting, remember, legal disclaimer, not financial advisors, not a financial advisor. I'm a social media influencer. You're an adult, make your own damn decisions. We only trade the green up arrow and the red down arrow. Also remember, the Lord has blessed us with being the only trading system in the world that is United States patent and trademark, specifically a trademark issued right now. It's signed, sealed, and delivered right there. This is the number of the trademark. This legally protects us in a lot of different ways. Might have to sue some clown out there right now thinking he's going to do something. We'll see. Coaching the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. Please type yes if you understand this is a trademark protected, NDA protected, patent pending protected, and system, and that we are not financial advisors. I'm not, no one here is, demo trade only, and that you're an adult. Please type the word yes if you understand those things. Now, the rest of the Typeform has been updated. I would recommend you read over your Typeform rules, and I would strongly recommend that. Our upcoming projects have all been completed, but the H&H scanner, plus we've done more. The Holy Grail trade is active. I'm so excited. 379 new signals sent out for tier 3 minute hourly since August the 23rd. 110 new signals sent out daily. This is the one I would trade if I were you guys. Weekly, daily. We should check one of these. SPX buy week 1, August the 20th. Let me see SPX. Weekly. This is just gorgeous. There it is. Yeah, you're in the money on that trade. SPX, it doesn't miss. It's never going to miss on this level. Let me be clear. The weekly dailies, when they're called out, wow, that's what the rules have been updated to show you. What's up, everybody? Casey. Thank you for typing out words. What's up, Alawasawan Raphael? What's up, Raphael? Thank you for typing the word yes. Let me go ahead and hide this message right there. Congratulations again, Ken. All right, I think. What's up, George? I think we're all set. So I'm going to go over the signals, by the way. These signals, and you're looking at weekly, dailies, that are always, I mean, this shit is so correct. It's psychotic. The signals right here are based on the rules. And I've reflected what the rules are. So in other words, the signals are trading according to the rules that are in your Typeform right now. When you look at the rules, it says, hi, welcome. If you need help, do this first. Warning, do not teach any other members. Rules from the signal indicator. These are your rules. The official signal service. And it just keeps going. Bonus, extremely important rule. 2-step. The weekly controls the daily. The daily controls the 4-hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 10 minute. The 1 hour controls the 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, 30 second. Some of you don't understand this. I'm going to pause here. You have to understand that I used to teach, 1 up, 1 hour, 4 hour. It's not that. This is what it is. This is what I get. You guys have to understand this. You need to go to your whichever time frames you like to trade. If you like to trade the 30 second, you need to do the 1 hour. If you like to trade the 10 minute, oh shit, we didn't even put in there. Hold on. 5 minute. You need to trade. Let me publish that. You need to be controlled by the daily. And then the 1 hour, oh shit, fire. God dang. Technically, you can do both. I'm going to take this one away, though. All right, publish that one now. And so on. So you just got to remember that we used to do the 1 hour, 15-minute. It's the daily controls the 15-minute. We used to do the 1 hour, 5-minute. It's the daily controls the 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. The weekly controls the daily. The 1 hour controls down to the 30-second. You guys have to understand the difference. Please type a 7 if you understand what I'm talking about here. By controlling, I mean these are the two time frames you match up. So you guys, some of you are really still on the old time frames. I see it in the Discord comments. Well, why didn't the 5-minute and the 1-minute work? Because that's not the two you combine anymore. You combine the weekly, daily, and hourly, and that's what it says in your rules now. So I've updated the rules on that. Thank you, John. Thank you, Jay Parker. Thank you, George. All right. Because again, a lot of you don't watch these lives. I don't understand. I don't understand. Oh, food was dropped off. Okay. Give me just 1 second to grab the food. Do 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 do. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Give me 1 second. Just pulling over the food. All right. Yeah, one day I've been eating 1 or 2 days I'll eat meat, 1 or 2 days I'll go vegetarian, or 3 or 4, vice versa. That. So anywho, you guys are gonna hear me chewing. A little lemon. They even cooked the lemon and cauliflower mashed taters. That's awesome. All right, guys. So if you hear me mowing down, forgive me, kind of. Not really. I don't really care if you forgive me or not, but let's see what kind of sauce this is. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. All right. Wow. Good times. Good times. Thank God for all his blessings. Wow. Incredible. In a tiny hole in the wall. Da, 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 da. I don't know how everybody eats 3 meals a day. Bree and I basically have one and a snack. Mm. Oh, wow, that's good. 3 meals a day is insane. What's up, Estoni? What time will the market be closed for Labor Day? Oh, I have no fuck. I don't think it is closed for Labor Day. It's only an American holiday. I have no clue, but Google is your friend. You can Google that one. What are you eating? What's up, Tyler? What's up, Big D? What's up, Big D? I'm eating some kind of fancy ass lemon grilled chicken with something on it, cauliflower, mashed potatoes, green beans, some Wisconsin cheese curds, some Brussels sprouts. Oh, the green beans has some kind of almonds in it. It's good. Really good. It's called, I can say where it's from, I guess. It's from a company called Lazy Dog, a restaurant called Lazy Dog here in Vegas. Outside, grousing, listening to live. Grousing? What does grousing mean, Matt? Grousing. Grousing. What's up, Tracy Ann Davis? Yeah, 3 meals is insanity. I don't even know. It's insane to think people can actually eat 3 meals in a day. I get one in, and maybe a couple hours later, some kind of snack. All right. So we're going to the updated list of rules about what controls what, and a lot of you in the Discord were confused. You're still trying to go by the old ones, so please don't. Now the rest stays the same: the sniper, the logo, how to watch things, all the same. I'm just updated the time periods for you guys so you know what to use. That's all. So those are your rules. They've been updated to reflect the daily, weekly. All of you should be, all of you should be trading from there. In fact, I'm going to show you how easy it is to trade from there just right now, actually. Gonna be. Oh, you're grounding. Nice, Matt. Yeah, grounding means he has his bare feet or some leather shoes or something on the ground. If you guys don't know what grounding is, it actually is pretty fucking cool, and I believe it works great. 100%, I believe it works. And they've done some studies on that now. They prove that there is an electrical charge. I don't want to get into that, but you might want to go hug a tree. People like tree hugging, yeah. What's up, Danny? All right. So again, remember updated time frames. You have to understand that it's no longer one up. It's not the 4 hour, 1 hour. It's the daily controls the 4 hour. The daily controls the 1 hour. The daily controls the 30-minute. The daily controls the 15-minute. And I don't know how you guys don't know that after me preaching at this 1,000 times, but some of you really don't pay attention or you don't watch the lives, which is scary either way. All right, I'm going to go ahead and make these call outs for you very easy. We are going to be looking strictly at these two things as I flip through a whole bunch of symbols. We're going to be on the weekly charts. I'm going to whip through, and anytime we see a pink line low and a blue line high just like this, I'm going to call out buy stop. Any buy stops you can get for NAS 100 until the pink line goes up to the blue line, until the number 2 line goes to the number 1 line. You play any, if you don't know what a buy stop, if it's called a pending order, you can ask your broker how to use it. If you don't know what these little symbols are, these lines down here are, this is called the sniper, coded by the great Keith Palmer. And to be clear, if I never, ever, if I've ever disrespected Keith or said something that Keith wasn't the greatest coder ever, I apologize and take that back because Keith is the greatest coder ever. And an even better good man. He's just a great man. So when I say this, buy stop any time frame from 5 second up until weekly, until this weekly pink line goes up and touches this blue line. That is clearly what I'm saying to do. So you can go, for instance, down to the daily in this case, and you could have played this buy stop that was called out right here. What is a buy stop? This is a buy stop. Blue, pink crosses it, you get in right there. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy stop, up she goes. Just so we're clear. Okay? This is your buy stop. Now, if we have all your indicators being on, though, let's see if we can flip on. Holy Grail, we might be able to pull. Nope, Holy Grail's there. Let me see if our daily. Nope, that's not going to be called. Nope, same time period. That's funny on the almost. Weird that it called it there, but that's okay. We'll get to that later because if we'd have flipped on the faster time frames, boop here, right, there's your hourly. Hell, we could have went down to the hourly. Yep, and those would have been the sells down and then the back up again. So yeah, that's all right. Okay, so anyway, we'll turn this off, leave that on. Now, I'm going to whip through some of these pretty quick. And all I'm looking at is this right here. If I see this, I'm going to call it. So I know NAS is like that. Let's go to NAS. See, pink line low. We're going to play it until it comes up and touches this blue-orange line, also to fill in the gap here. So out of the two of these, NAS is a slightly better buy stop. It's closer to the orange. We have the fill in the space right here, fill in the gap right there. And US 30 has been kicking it forever. I've been calling that forever. So same thing. All right. So now we have NAS, weekly, daily buy stop till the weekly pink line goes up and touches the blue line. Do you all, what's up, Raider Trader? What? Hey, everyone. What are your thoughts on Fibonacci? Fibonacci sucks ass. It's the worst fucking thing ever, and so is Fibonacci retracement. Don't ask this, Kimberly. What's up, Kim? Yeah, you're missing out on losing if you're trying. Here, let me do you a favor. The Fibonacci comes from nature. The Fibonacci that you're trying to use, you're about to learn, stupidly, don't do it, comes from nature patterns. I'm not lying to you, Google it. They're trying to apply the Fibonacci and Fibonacci retracement comes from nature, comes from patterns of flowers and shells. And while it's very beautiful, it has nothing to do with trading. It's the stupidest fucking thing ever. Hope I'm clear on that. And just so we're all on the same page, if you type in, poor Kim, if you type in Rule 11 in our type form, you must unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading because 99% of the time it's wrong. If you don't believe, here's a quote from Google search. Studies have shown that 97% of day traders lose money over time and less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. Type that in. That's Google saying it, not me. Save yourself some time, Danny. Yet all of us, all day traders, know what the Fibonacci and Fibonacci retracement is. And yet 99% of us would lose using it. So unless you think somehow a flower pattern or a shell pattern works somehow in trading, they studied this for 13 years. It doesn't work. So let me show you what does work. Yeah, I'm going to save you a whole bunch of time, Danny. Here you go. Watch. This is for Danny right here. This is for Danny. I don't know who Danny is, but we're going to help Danny out. Watch. This is your charts, but let me show you something really quick. I'm going to take away everything that you see on here. So we're going to remove all the indicators. We're going to remove the drawings. Now, this is what's called a raw chart. This is what you start with, Danny, and everybody knew. This is what you start with on TradingView. It looks very similar to this. They might have some volume lines down here. A MetaTrader 4, they're usually black and white with some volume lines sometimes down there and with a grid usually. But this is what they expect you to trade with. Does that look familiar to you, Danny? I know it's pretty funny, isn't it? Raider traders laughing, haha, Fibonacci. So the fib, this is what you start with. So this is what Danny's going through. He goes, well, maybe if I go ahead and install some of these indicators, these technical indicators. See the Fibonacci, I think they even list on here. The Fibonacci, the evening star, the engulfing candle, the doji star, all this bullshit stuff. Give me a fucking break. Triple bottom, double bottoms, these are all technical. They're bullshit. It's about as technical as a rock. These technical that they teach you, these chart patterns, volume, VWAP, they're all lies, they're all wrong, and they're all bullshit. How do you know the candle ones are wrong? Because I can switch your candles. How do they explain it when I switch it to a line? Now, where's your Doja star? Where's your Thor's hammer? Okay, I made that one up. Evening star. They're not there because there's no such thing as candles. It's just volume. You can make this into Heineken. You can make the Renko candles. What the fuck? So they're all full of shit when they're naming any of that bullshit to you, but yet they expect us to make money. So Danny, I lost for two and a half years, about 26,500 my first 2 years. I searched out every fucking indicator there was, well, thousands of them, built my own indicators, paid for other people to build indicators, tried everything, paid other strategies, paid other experts out there. Bullshit. The Bollinger Bands don't work worth a fucking shit. Or I wouldn't have thousands of members that have paid for my system, period. Look at all this RSI strategy. Bullshit. The stochastic bullshit. All lies. All doesn't work, period. Order blocks. Which block do the banks want to buy from today? Doesn't work. I know, right, Matt Parker? What's up, Robel? Total bullshit. I came from Danny. Couldn't win 50% of the time. It doesn't. Correct. Listen to what our members are telling you, Danny. Trust me on this. Order blocks, bunch of shit. Yep, correct, Matt Parker. I get nothing from recommending it to you. It works consistent for the first time in my trading career ever. Yep, Thor's hammer. Raider Trader likes that one. But none of it works. We all tried it, yet 99% of the time it fails. Less than one, we all know it. Danny doesn't know all the stuff yet, but don't learn it. Don't fill your head with all that bullshit. It doesn't work. Support and resistance doesn't work. Trend trading doesn't work. What works? Well, let me show you. Eventually, I was able to make a trade correctly after 2.5 years, and I started making 2 or 3. I was using ERU. I was just using this separate way of doing it. And I started seeing that I was being correct. And then I started saying, hey, I wonder how I get it to see it like easily, where I can kind of like make it where I can see stuff easily. And I started getting my own indicators coded. My own indicators coded. And I thought, well, that's pretty interesting. I can see where there's sell stops. I can see where there's buy stops. I can see when it's going to go up, and I can see when it's going to go down. And when I made it so it's color coded. And whenever you see this pattern right here, and it's our logo too, I can get up to 23 reasons why. But this is your raw one right here. This is your inside that rectangle right there, Danny and everybody that's new. This is all you need to know. Green, 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 red. Green, green means it's going to go up. I can teach you how to trade in 2 seconds, Danny. Watch. Anytime you see this pattern, just so we're clear, Danny, anyone listening, anytime you see this pattern here, this just happens to be a little, every candle right here is a day, but it could be it's called your price action chart. So this is your every movement is a day. If I was on a 4-hour, every 4 hour would be a day. Every 4 hour would be a candle. This is a day. So as you look at this pattern right here, there's green little line, green little line, green little line, red, then green, green. You would put a buy stop up here if you're not familiar with it. It's just a pending order. And then you'd wait. And then you can see clearly that it went up. But the neat thing about this, Danny, is it doesn't just work on daily, weeklies, or these high time frames. It doesn't just work on NAS. You can go over to gold. You can go down to the fucking 15-second, 5-second candles. Imagine that, Danny. Someone will be able to make sense out of a 5-fucking-cent candle. Here it is. Well, let's get you. Well, that's fine. This just happened. This is recent. Oh, this is a broken Bach for you, though. Hold on. Let me just show you. Here's some right here. Watch. This right here are 15-second candles, Danny. 15 fucking seconds. Every one of these quote-unquote candles, and every professional out there, anyone that's a trader would say you can't make sense out of 15-second candles. And they're liars, and they're scared, and they don't have the system. Right here, you can see that same pattern. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. This happens to be to the blue line. I called this live the other day, and there it went. On Friday, it went up to the blue line. What is the blue line? It's magic. It's magnetic. It pulls the price up to it. In reality, it's just an EMA that we use. That's all it is. There's another buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. So I taught you how to trade in 5 seconds. That's all you need to see is this pattern. Again, we're on gold, 15 seconds. We can go up to weekly. Here, watch. We can go over to Bitcoin since you had your Bitcoin open. Here's Bitcoin. I've called correctly Bitcoin out for since March 8th of last year when I called it the first time at 26,500 as a buy. But watch, it's so fucking easy. Here it is. This is daily. This is Bitcoin. Every one of these candles is a day. I just showed you gold 15-second. Watch. Right here. That same pattern. Look right here, Danny, right up against that yellow. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy. You could have got in at Bitcoin at 42,000 and up she went. Now, I called it earlier. I called it off the monthly, but I'm just showing the daily. And there it is. And if you don't even understand that, which I think is the easiest thing on earth, you can absolutely understand when there's a fucking signal. This blue line is a signal service I offer, which is a weekly one. It told you it was going to go up. And I will put this signal service against any professional trader or other trader, anybody that thinks they're a good trader. No one's ever taken me up on this offer. But if anybody would ever like to trade against my signal service, I've been offering to trade against me for the last 3 years on TikTok and 2 years on YouTube. No one else has ever dared trade against me. There's a reason for that. My signal service will not miss on a weekly W1, DS1, or DSC. Will not miss. And there it is. Craziest shit you ever did see. And that's how you trade. Simple as that right there. All right. Does Danny or anybody have any questions over regarding that? I did that really quick, but I wasn't in the mood to go into detail. Now, if you still don't understand it, Danny, let me give you another little eye-opening thing. We have color changing candles right here. They change the green. We have a green and red light. It changed the green. We see how the box back here is red. It changed the green. We have the real direction bar 1, 2, 3 green. We have the blue with the pink crossing right here. That's your entry in. So if you look at all these reasonings, watch. We have our logo. We have the green candles. We have the green line. We have the orange line being above. We have the box twice. We have the red indicator, which is known as the bullshit detector because it's telling the lie. We have 3 green here. We have the blue. We have the pink crossing the blue and the purple crossing the blue. This is just on one chart. So if you look at all these things right here, let me be clear on this because I don't want to confuse anyone that's trying to just learn. This is here, right? And here. And then on top of that, we have 1, 2, 3 more. All these green arrows tell you this trade is going to go up. Before it happened, before it moved up, all of these green arrows are telling us up. So we have about 13, 14 here, plus on a higher time frame. We get up to about 30 confirmations with my system, telling you this trade was going to go up. Bitcoin was going to go up on the daily before it went up. Fucking amazing. No other system like it in the world. So if you can see little patterns, and my brother is colorblind, so it does work for people who are colorblind. Absolutely, it does. It is, Danny. It is incredible. So this is what you trade with. You trade with nothing and hope for the best, or you can trade with the system that gives you 13, 14, well, up to 31 different indicators. Nothing on your charts like they give you to start with. Or if I have both charts open, up to 30 different things telling you it's going to go up before it happens. And you can ask people on here, direct message them. I always recommend you go back and watch a whole bunch of my lives, the last 4, 5, 6, 7 lives I have on YouTube. If you go back there, you'll see you'll see a whole bunch of lives where I trade live on my YouTube channel. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to have to go to the other one. Here. My YouTube channel, which is right here. Looks just like this, called the safety trade. Let me remove all this stuff, sorry. Right here. 4,200 subscribers. I am very, very happy about that, by the way. We have record number of subscribers, record number of emails, record number of people purchasing the system, record number of everything, all the highs. This thing is growing exponentially at this point. Couldn't be happier. Couldn't thank God enough. Means I'm helping more and more people. It says I have 695 videos. I actually have close to 2,000 videos now. I was just too lazy to put the disclaimer on the other ones. And we have thousands, that's my youngest daughter, thousands and thousands of videos. If you just watch some of these last ones, crazy how much money you can make just taking the trade demo money you can make just taking my recommendations. Every day I do it. Every day. There we go. So that's your choices in this world. Trade with nothing or trade with a system that gives you so many confirmations it's hard to count, to be honest with you. I'm sure I forgot some right there, actually. Damn. Gave me 2 chicken breasts. Lazy dog. If you never ate from it, lazy dog. My wife loves the, they have some bacon that's like candied. It was really good. Anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions? Now, if you're too confused by, again, having this many number of indicators to keep track of, you can buy the Signal service for $150 a month. Inside the Signal service itself, you'll see these lines. All you have to do is just take a buy when it tells you to. Simple as that. Oh, yeah. So I showed you on Bitcoin daily. I showed you on gold 15 second. It doesn't matter the system. It works on Amazon. Works out. I love Costco. One of our members, Don, brought up Costco to us. NVIDIA. It works on anything you can chart over 1,000 symbols. Easiest shit on earth. There's your buy stop again on the daily, buy stop again, and it goes up, buy stop again, and it goes up. So even though they're trying to tell you it's going to go down, it's a lie. It's just setting up our buy. It goes up. Easy peasy. All right, no questions? Now I'm going to go through it, whip through it. What I started with was teaching you guys. All I'm going to do is look. This is how fast I can whip through this, how I can do it so fast. And you're going to see me call out a lot of different symbols in a row. We're looking exactly for this. Blue line high, pink line low. When we see this, I'm going to say buy stop till this pink goes up to blue, just like it did here. Pink goes up to the blue. So watch. All I'm going to do is call out these 2 things. I'm going to do it super quick. US 30's already been doing, I've been calling that out for a while. NAS, buy stop weekly. Take any buy stop you can find from the 15 second of buy stop standing as a pending order. Just ask your broker how to put one in. Obviously, you'll watch me for the next little week or 2 before you buy, but I'm sure eventually, well, you may not. Who knows? Whatever. But if you watch long enough, you're probably going to buy. This pink will go up and touch this blue just like it did once, just like it did twice. It's going to do it again from here. NAS, buy stop weekly. Take any buy stop. SPX, take any buy stop in SPX from 5 seconds to daily till this weekly pink line goes up and touches. Gold is just completing it. You can clearly see gold, which is called out live for you, by the way. Gold went up from its pink line to blue for the second time, and gold went up in value. Even though people were saying gold was overpriced, it's not going to go up anymore. The system was calling for a buy back here when it was at 2,000. It was calling for another buy right here when it was at 2,300. The system is always right, never wrong. I don't give 2 fucks when anyone tells you. I'll put this system, these trades right here. Anytime it's the first time pink to blue, I will take it. And I will beat every other trader ever. Let them come on here and tell me something else. When this pink goes up to this blue and this blue stays high, you will make fucking money. I don't give a fuck what symbol it is. Hope I'm clear, crystal clear. US oil doesn't have a blue line on enough history, can't call it. ERUSD. Pink, what food's here, Precious? Nice. Oh, that's kind of quick, wasn't it? Or have we been talking? Oh, thought it was. Well, I'm just going to finish out these call-outs. Oh, yeah, delicious. Even came with cauliflower mashed potato standard. Nice. Yeah. Now, This one, they can't see it. That one is live pointing there, just so you're clear. If you walk in front of there, woo! All right. So I'm just making some final calls. ERUSD, it's too late. It's completed its pink up line. Well, it's not too late, but it's pretty much too late. GBB, JPY, this one I love. I would keep your eyes peeled on this. I love this trade. We're already in the money on it, but you could take any buy stop on GPB, JPY until this pink line goes all the way up to that orange line. I love this trade. Love it, love it, love it. One I love is equally or as better is this one. And this is already making money too. I called this out live for you also. This is AUD USD. AUD USD. Look, it's doing it live as we're talking. This is a weekly chart, AUD USD. When this pink line goes up and touches this blue line, I don't give two fucks. It'll go up and it will be higher than when it started. It already is, and it's going to continue. So AUD USD until this number 2 line goes up to this number 1 line. It's a buy, and I love GPB JPY. I love, love, love AUD USD. USD CAD, not quite the same yet. Now I can go down to daily and find this one right here. Yeah, it's a daily, weekly buy stop. It's very, very good. I can't call it yet because it's broke. So meaning I'd have to go up to the monthly, yeah, or the 3 week. Not quite where I want it yet, but still very, very good. XRP, don't give two fucks. It's a buy stop, and it is. I don't give two fucks what it does. Ethereum, we called out correctly a 12-hour sell, and we called it to touch the blue line. We were doing this specifically for Larry, one of our members. It went down and touched the blue line twice since I called that, actually, but it was yesterday. And now for Larry's purposes, I'm going to call Bitcoin and Ethereum the same. Bitcoin buy stop. We also called out the Bitcoin fall there correctly to the 12-hour. Weekly buy stop. Once this hooks up, which is going to be very soon, buy stop Bitcoin. Play any buy stop until you see this pink line go up to the blue on Bitcoin. That holds doubly true for Ethereum. They ride or die together. They're the same. Amazon, buy stop. I don't give two fucks. I called this out live also back on 8/24. It's just a buy. You buy Amazon every time chance you can get. CAD, JPY. It's both of these are low. So this is now what's called a monthly one. I bet you if I go up to the monthly, if there's enough history, there isn't. There is no blue line. It's a monthly, weekly buy stop for CAD, JPY. AU200. It didn't go down low enough right here. It's just finishing up right now, and it's buy. Apple, perfect. Live, currently happening. Buy stop. Take any buy stop on Apple from 5 seconds until this weekly pink line goes up and touches this blue line. Not only did I call it correctly, the system called it correctly. You're in the money from this buy on Apple. EUR, AUD. Can I use prop from software or use on trade? You can only use it on TradingView, Ritman, but you can trade on anything you want. It works with any broker you want. Buy stop, EUR, AUD. Again, this is going to be a weekly, monthly one. It's a little different. It's just higher time frame. Takes a little longer to fill that one out. EUR, CHF. Again, I'm not going to call it. It's too messed up right here. It's a little higher on that one. EUR, JPY. Now, this is a much better one. This will be a monthly for sure. Yeah, we don't have enough history, but this is a monthly buy on EUR, JPY. I don't know what someone asked about that one. GBB, AUD. This works on all 1,000, over 1,000 symbols on TradingView. I'm not going to do all those. Those annoy me. What about your little gamey one right here? This is interesting. This is really interesting. This is the first time for GameStop to actually be a buy. It's on this higher time frame. Let me be clear. This is crazy. Now I would go down to the lower time frames and verify thing, but this is actually a buy. This is crazy stuff. Now it is a weekly, daily buy and a monthly sell, but there is this short term. I like this for the game. I'm surprised. Google. I mean, it's just a buy. I'm sure this is going to be a monthly buy. Let me see. Nope, it's a weekly then. Weekly buy Google. Play any buy stop on Google until this pink line goes up and touches this blue line. Easy money, easiest shit you're ever going to make. HK50, the Hong Kong 50. Technically, this is also a buy, so you can play any buy stops on the way up, but I'm a little concerned. I want to see something here. No, we could take that. Let me see, did it hit the 12 hour? I'll even tell you where this one's going for fun. There it is, 7 hour. Play any buy stop in HK50 until the 12-hour blue line is hit. That's how I would look at this. Even though it's a weekly, I would play this. It's going to go up a little bit more before that dip happens. Because ultimately, this is a weekly, monthly sell stop, is what you're looking at. What is this one? This is the Invesco one, right? Someone. Japan 225. Oh, nice. This is another one. Japan 225. Buy stop until this pink line goes up and touches the orange. You'll see this fill in the gap too. It's already made money. You can see the call out when it was made on the higher time frame right there. Easy money. Japan 225. Play any buy stop till this weekly pink goes up and touches that orange. Litecoin. This is a monthly. Let's see. Unknown. I don't have enough history to see that. McDonald's, which is what a joke is. So my system's calling for a buy. Let's be clear. Let me turn all this off for you. My system's calling for a long-term buy on McDonald's. Well, a weekly buy. Let me be clear. Here's your daily, weekly buy. It's our logo right there. Pop, pop, pop. But yet all I've read about, and I don't even pay attention to it, is how bad McDonald's is. How bad McDonald's, everything's terrible. Well, my system is calling for a buy stop on a monthly till this green line fills in this gap, until this pink line goes up to the blue. And guess what? The price has gone nothing but up. So explain to me how every bit of news humanly possible on McDonald's that I've heard is all horrible and bad, but yet there's my system calling out for a buy stop. And it goes straight up. That's all I can tell you. Weird. It's almost as if news doesn't matter, which it doesn't. Beautiful one here. Microsoft. First time is the best time. Blue line high, pink line low. Buy stop. Second time. Good. Blue line high, pink line low. Third time. Pink line low. Blue line dipping. This is still a great buy. Play any buy stop on Microsoft from 32nd until this weekly pink line goes up and towards this orange toward this histogram bar fills in the gap right here. It's going to go up. It cannot go up. When this pink goes up to the blue, price goes up. When the pink goes up to the blue, price goes up. When the pink goes up to the blue, price will go up. End of story. Netflix. Same exact thing. Look. First buy stop. Second buy stop. Third buy stop. This is the fourth time. It's already in the money. And you can play any buy stop you want till a weekly pink goes up to the blue. And all I hear about is shit on the news about Netflix being shitty. But my system keeps calling out buy stop after buy stop after buy stop. And Netflix keeps going up. So fuck the news. NVIDIA. Don't even get me started how easy this one was. Look. Right inside of here. Let's be clear. This right here. First time blue line high. Pink line low. It went up. Second time it happened right here. Blue line high. Pink line low. Look at price. Shot up. Third time it's happening live before your very eyes. Buy stop. NVIDIA. Take any buy stop you can on NVIDIA. Pink line low will go up and touch the blue line. This will fill in the gap. And then you'll see price go up even further than it is, although it's already made you a shit ton of money. There you go. Every time. Silver. Works on already showed silver. Buy stop. I called it back. 8.5 right here. Buy stop. I called it from right here up. That's all. You got to wait till this pink one goes all the way up. It will. This fill in the gap will happen over there. It will. So, I mean, I can name off any one of these you want. Copper, platinum, corn, wheat, Costco, buy stop. One of our members, or I shouldn't say a member, I don't know who the fuck he is really. I think he said he was or is something. But Don, one of the guys that called in, I called in. One of the guys who messaged in, he has $500,000 worth of Costco stock. I said, boy, you made a good fucking move. And Don definitely knows enough about trading. He's called out a few good ones. He's very, very good. I don't believe he's lucky. He actually knows what he's doing. Visa. What's up, Drawn Cup? Can you go over GBP JPY and explain why the blue line dip means? Sure. On what time frame? You're talking about the weekly? Normally, this means that you're going into the next one, which will be your monthly, and you are. We don't have enough history on GBP JPY for the blue line to form. But what you're looking at, Umar, watch. This is so gorgeous how this all plays together. Is Umar is asking, watch. What it means is this. It means this blue line right here is this pink line over here on your monthly. So the monthly has to go down now and dip down to here. So in theory, GBP JPY isn't done going down yet. I don't give two fucks. I'm calling it because GBP JPY is a fill in the gap at this point. Buy stop. So I'm overriding the system a little bit, not much. But that's why you would then go up to the next higher time frame when you see that blue line dip, Umar. That's what that means. That's a girl. I liked it. So good. Not so bad. Where do we buy the safety trade system, says Ripman? You buy it right here. Right here is where you go. Safetytrade.com. You can sign up for the alerts there if you want. You can get the system there. I wouldn't get the 777. You're just wasting your money. There's no need to have a private one. There's only going to be like 5 or 10 people in every group. Matter of fact, if you buy it today, you get your training tomorrow. We do it every other Monday, and it happens to be tomorrow. And even though I'm on vacation with my beautiful wife in Vegas for a month, I'm still doing the training tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please don't repeat yourself, Umar. You're welcome, sir. Visa. I don't know what the fuck that is, but let's take a look at it. So you want me to see Visa? Hold on. It shows a weekly, monthly buy stop. I would play any Visa buy stop. Look at this shit. You should have bought it way back here, though, when it first did it. Whatever. I'd play any buy stop on Visa until this pink line goes up and touches the orange line on the monthly. But you're going to have so many more. This is literally what I'm talking about. Green, 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 red. Buy stop. Where's it going to? Already passed it. I don't know. It completed its daily. But these are all buy stops. You can clearly see it. The very first time is your best time. As I just taught you, you should have got in here on Visa on March 13th, 2023. First time it did it. Watch. Let's be clear. First time you saw this pattern right here is then. Second time it happened is right here. You should have got in here. Third time it happened was here. This is what Omar, this is what you're currently seeing on your GBP JPY. You're seeing this exact same. See how the blue line dipped? That's what you're seeing right there. But this happens to be Visa. Yep. And then you're on a current buy stop. Play any buy stop weekly if you want. Play any 5 second through daily, hourly, 15-minute, whatever you want, till the weekly blue line goes up and hits this orange one on your weekly. It's technically a monthly, but we don't have a monthly blue line. I can't really call it that. So, and that's what it shows. Now, if you want me to read smaller time frames via Visa, hell yeah. My system works on weekly as well as it does on minute, seconds. This is your second. Sell stop. I'm going to be specific to this. You have a 1 second, 5 second sell stop to the blue line on Visa. This will go down and hit its blue line again. Mark my words, when this pink comes down to the blue, you will see this price action come down to the blue in the 5 second. You should have did it the first time here, second time there, third time. These are 5 second candles I'm calling for you, and it will be 100% accurate. Now, if you want a little higher time frame, let's take a look. Nope. 1 minute, 3 minute buy. Buy. It's about to form a 15-minute buy. Yep, it's about to do a 15-minute, 1 hour buy. Here it is the first time right here. And here's another one, by the way. So those are your hourly. You want me to go to 4 hours and show you what's going to happen on 4 hour? Nothing right now. It's too high. Daily. Nope, this is your daily weekly. And then you're into the daily weekly. So there you go. I call down to the 5 second telling you what's going to happen. It's not what might happen. This is what's going to happen. Notice my terminology isn't possibly, maybe. I'm telling you what's going to happen, and that's what the fuck it's going to do. It's literally right before. If you don't believe my words, believe what you're seeing. You see that go up? That was called to go up. You'd entered right here off the orange, yellow line right there, 267.58. You would have made $8, $7, $6 something change, $6 to $7 a share on your Visa. Umar, it's only took 2 years. Right, I know it takes time. Amazing, really. It is. It's just, I can't believe how God has blessed me with this system, and me sharing it with you guys is crazy. It is. All right. Well, I called out a shit ton of symbols. Anybody else have any more symbols they want me to look at before I go? I'm going to go finish what little bit of my lunch I have left. That's some good shit right there. I strongly recommend Lazy Dog in Vegas, boy. That's some good food. I have to watch those pillowcases. All right. If there's no more questions, I'm going to leave TikTok, head over to YouTube. TikTokers, have a blessed day, safe holiday, enjoy yourselves. I'm heading over to YouTube to answer a few questions. I can speak a little freely over at YouTube. I don't have to watch my mouth. I can actually say things. TikTok bans you for every damn thing. All right, YouTubers, any questions before I go? Hi, Tracy. Thank you, Drawn Cup. You too. Have a good weekend. Tracy wants me to look at U.S. oil. Let me look at U.S. oil before we go. It's the same, not just U.S. oil, it's UK oil also. So the first thing I'm going to check is the daily. Doesn't show shit. Weekly. It's forming it. So it's a weekly, monthly buy stop on oil. If you're going to, let's see, daily is going to be like a 4 hour. Yep, there it was, 4 hour. Let's go down a little lower, catch something here. It was a 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. There was a buy to the blue, but it didn't go. Oh, it hit the blue back here. Yeah, hit the blue back there. Okay. So the 1 hour is complete. What's the 4 hour? Sell. 4 hour daily sell to the blue line of the daily. It already hit it. We don't have any weeklies, though. This is terrible. I don't know why. This oil is very weak. Let me whip down here into the seconds for you. Tracy, let's see. Trace, nope. Yep, there you go. Let's see. Oil, buy, stop. 15 seconds. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 seconds. Yes, you heard me right. This is your buy right here. Let me get rid of these for you guys for a second. You can clearly see blue line low, pink line low, purple line low, pink cross. You can see your buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green. There's your buy. This will go up and get extremely close, and in my opinion, touch the 15-second buy on U.S. oil. Buy 15 second to the blue line U.S. oil. 1 minute. 30 second. It's a 1 minute. Yep. 3 minute. Sure. Why not? 5 minute sell. 10. Nope. 10. 10. 5 minute. 10. 10. 10. Let me see the hourly. Oh, that's why you went to. So this thing's calling for, yeah. I'm like, well, why the fuck is it calling for this sell? But here it is. Here's your sell stop. This is when you should have entered with the blue line high, pink, red, 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 blue to the blue line. This is a 3 minute sell. Look at how long it happened before. Let me be clear on this trade. Should have stayed on TikTok for a minute. You can't see the future, but what you can see is my system. The logo right here. Blue, high, low, boom, hook. That's our logo. Then you come over to here. Let's just do all these. Let's do all the possible reasons why this fell. Logo number one. Orange line below, going to the blue line right here is another sell, okay? The candles switched from green to red. My candles are indicating, they're so accurate. The Bach has 2 red lines right here, and it switched, by the way. So all these are saying down. Then you come over here to red, 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 green. This green is part of our, it's called the bullshit. These are real direction bars below it, 1, 2, and 3. The blue line's high. The pink and purple line cross it. All before there's any move. Let me count up. We have 1, and then we have our 2, the low. And then we have, in addition, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 indicators saying this is going to go down. 15 different things saying this is going to go down before the movement down happened. Look at it. This is all facts. I teach the same thing over and over again. You have 15 different indicators saying sell, and then lo and behold, pop, there's that big drop. And there's your oil. So you can have the system telling you 15 things, or you can have a raw chart that looks exactly like this. And how the fuck did you have any clue, any knowledge that this fall was going to happen? None, none, none. Zero. So you have zero knowledge, or you have 15 different things that's saying it's going to fall. 0 before it happened, or 15 indicators telling you it was going to fall before it happened. None. So if you don't believe my words, believe what you're seeing, or 15 things saying, hey, this is going to go down, 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 down. It had no chance to go up. So the next time you're in doubt, buy the damn system, learn how to trade, make consistent profits. Umar, does the gold daily pink line need to come down before the weekly competition? Not sure what Umar means with that. Hold on, let me see. Does the gold line daily? All right, well, hopefully you guys catch that. How many people got over here? 25, that's good, I won't ask. All right, let's go over to gold now. So I hope I answered your question, Tracy, of what I was thinking. I went down to the really low time frames for you, what's going to happen, and then the higher time frames too. All right, gold. And he's asking on the daily. Oh, shit, fire. Hold on. Ta. I got to reapply. There we go. Okay, now let's go over to gold. Let's go over, I think he said daily. Buy system works, everyone. Bitcoin buy just called is in the money. Nice, Tracy, and congratulations. Yay, Tracy. I'm so happy for Tracy. I really want all of you to make money. That's why I'm here on a Sunday. Really, really, really. Does the gold daily pink need to come down? Does the gold daily pink need to come down? Yes, and it is. Gold daily pink, what he's talking about is right here. And it is down. Doesn't need to come down further. Well, it hasn't. Well, I don't have my signals on. Let me see the weekly. Kind of yes. Yes. The only reason I say kind of at this particular point is because this pink is already too high. You should have been in the gold trade back when I called it on July 25th. This is fine. It'll go up again. Don't get me wrong. But right now, you got to wait for a little further dip and then do it. Or if you're kind of aggressive, you can just take the buy, hold it. It's too, see right here, hell right here. Gold's been going up for like 3 years. I can't really show you a daily, weekly for a while. It's not there. Completion. Yes. So yes, I would wait a little longer if you're trying to be conservative until this comes down, just like it did here, 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 here. And this is your perfect one right here with this pink and purple cross. Perfect. The first one's the best. Second one's fine. This happened to be the one that we called July 24th, 25th, right here. And we were calling this because this is an actual DTS, daily daily buy stop. Right there. That's why it is. He's inside of here. So now we're going to have to wait for gold's. Well, it could flatline. When it flatlines, by the way, I always leave a runner open. It flats right here. See how it flatted? Well, it still kept going up. So you let a runner run. So I'd close one of my trades down if I was in gold, which I'm not, and then close one down and let one stay open, let it run, and then let this reboot again. It's going to come back down again on the weekly, and then we'll do it all over again. Look at this. It's been all fucking year. This is since January and then July. And it's going to do it again over the next, however long this took to come down. Let me see. It's going to do the exact same thing again. There's nothing new. So let's see, from the time about here to the time it got down to there. 16 weeks. Let's just say 3 months. It's probably going to rise up a little over the next week or two. Then over the next couple months, it's going to dip, or kind of dip, which you guys used to call consolidation, where it kind of moves sideways. But all it's doing is coming over to touch, then it bops up again. Come over, touch, bop up again. So that means this is going to scoot over a little bit and come down. The orange line's going to come up. It's going to touch it and bop up again. That's what it's going to do. What's up, Grant? Just about to leave, Grant. All right. God bless y'all. Have a great weekend. You're welcome, Umar. You're welcome, Tracy. All right. God bless y'all. Have a great weekend.